How to fix Snapchat error code C14a. So if you are facing this issue, this is generally because of a connection issue. So in this issue, first and foremost, access to your quick access by scrolling down and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your mobile data and try to log into your Snapchat. If it does not work, enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then disable it and connect to your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. If it is not helping, press and hold the application and go to your app info. Right here, tap on Force Stop and OK and go to Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. Once you do this, your issue must be solved. If it's still pending, go ahead and open your Play Store application and search for Snapchat. Tap on it. If there is an update, leave it for an update, otherwise the last resort will be to uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And this is how you can solve the problem of Snapchat error code C14a. We hope that you'll give it a try and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.